Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Have you heard the story about the golden snail?
No.
Well, I will tell you now. Respected judges, honorable parents and teachers, good morning. Long time ago, there were a couple of husband and wife. They are Prince Raden Putra and Dewi Limaran. Prince Raden Putra's father was a king of the kingdom. They lived in a palace. One day, Dewi Limaran was walking in a palace garden. Suddenly, she saw a snail. It was ugly and disgusting. Yeah, said Dewi Limaran. Then she took it and threw it away into a river. She didn't know the snail was an old and powerful witch. She could transform herself into anything. The witch was angry to Dewi Limaran. The witch put a spell on her and changed her into a golden snail. Then she threw it away into a river. The snail was drifting away into a river and got caught into a net. The old woman was fishing with her net, surprised to see the golden snail in her net. She took it and brought it home. When the old woman woke up, she surprised that the house was in the good condition. The floor was smooth, and she had also a food on the table. Who did this to me? The person is very kind. It happened again and again every morning. The old woman curious. One day, the old woman decided to stay up late. She was peeping from her room to know who cooked for her. She couldn't believe what she saw. The snail, who she caught in the river, turned into a beautiful woman. She approached her. Who are you, young girl? I'm Dewi Limaran, ma'am. Which cursed me? I can change a woman only at night, explained Dewi Limaran. The spell can be broken if I hear the melody of the holy gamelan, continued Dewi Limaran. The old woman rushed to the palace and talked to Prince Raden Putra about her wife. Prince Raden Putra was so happy because he had looking for his wife everywhere. He prayed and meditated. He asked the God to give him the holy gamelan. He wanted to break the wish spell. After several days praying and meditating, finally the God granted his wish. He brought it the holy gamelan to the old woman's house and played it beautifully. And amazingly, the old woman turned into a beautiful, the snail turned into a beautiful Dewi Limaran. The couple was so happy they put together again. They also thanked to the old woman for her kindness. As a return, they asked the old woman to stay in a palace. The end. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.